Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to install Chivalry 2 game for free in Epic Games. So here follow the steps. Open the Epic Games launcher. In the search store, search for Chivalry 2 and then click on this base game Chivalry 2, and here you will see Chivalry 2 game and it is completely free now. The sales will end on 1/1/2026. So the sales will end on 1st January 2026. So click on this get button. Please wait, your order is loading, and then click on place order. Please wait. Now you will see this view in library option. Click on this view in library button, and then you can say Chivalry 2 game is added to your library. Now click on install button and then again click on install. Click yes to allow, and here you will see the game installing on my PC. You can also click on this download icon, and here you can see Chivalry 2 game is getting downloaded on my PC. So by this way you can easily download Chivalry 2 game on your PC in Epic Games launcher for free till 1st January 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.